Time for a daily daddy driver update. We are on our way to collect the car I bought. A temporary car, but we bought it. Well, there you have it, guys. The new daily daddy driver, or at least the temporary daily daddy driver. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this car, but I really like it. It's a really beautiful thing. Like I said, it needs some work, but nothing that I can handle. Well, pretty happy. What do you think? Is this a good daily daddy driver, or did you think I made a big mistake? I like it. Can't help it. I like it. Like I just said, there are some things that I'm gonna work about on this car. First thing, and you can't really see it, we need to do something about the little stone chips, especially here on the front bumper. And we got some minor damage here. I hope you can see it, but there's a scratch and there's a little bit of bumping that needs to be repaired. And we got here a little paint scratch from a different car that we need to remove. But overall, that's all we need to do. Some minor interior work, but well, we can handle that. Well, guys, a lot can happen in a short period of time. You just saw the introduction of our new daily daddy driver. And a few days after this video, it started raining. A big storm came along, and we got snow. And after the snow, I got COVID. And I was sick for a whole week. Damn it. So I couldn't make the video I wanted to make. I apologize for that one. But meanwhile, a lot of other stuff has happened. For example, as you can see, we invested in some microphones. Finally, we got a gimbal for the smooth footage to make the videos even better. And we got a goodie box. Let's unwrap. First one over here is a polish goodie bag. Some foam pots, different types. We've got some information. polishweb.nl, very important. Hope this works, otherwise this video is screwed even more. Then we got the super finish, we got the final finish, the medium cut, and the heavy cut compound, all for polishing. And then we got some new towels, an invoice, and something like this. And what is this? Clay bar or something? Show me. Or is it candy? Can I eat this one? Looks evil.
caramel. They are trying to poison me. I'm gonna eat this one. So, by the way, my voice is still squeaky from the COVID. It really, really sucks. And I never imagined I would have so much trouble with having COVID. Literally been away for about 3 days, just knocked out in bed, couldn't do anything, couldn't even watch my phone. It was heavy. We got another box, crop, and this box is especially for the BMW because it has the things I need. Oh. Okay, well, wait 1 second. The primer, the black paint and the clear coat to do some paint correction. Also we have some sanding paper up to 3000 grit and another invoice. Let's not talk about that part. So what we're gonna do, what the plan is for the BMW, of course we're gonna do a complete review of the car. I'm gonna show you in depth how the car works, if it's okay. I've done about 1200 kilometers since I bought it. So I tested it thoroughly and I know now that I really love the car. But we're gonna sell it because we need the money for this one. And then we'll see what other project we can find in the future. But I'm gonna use this one to learn more polishing skills because I really want to be able to get a car from bad to good with only cleaning and paint correction and everything. So that will be amazing to learn, and maybe we can do some projects. I already did the car of the neighbor, you know. We got another neighbor that has a problem with his paint. Maybe I can fix that one. So they don't have to go to the expensive professional. They accept less quality, of course, because if you want it to be done correctly, don't go to me, just go to the specialist. Very simple. By the way, if there was a specialist watching and who thinks that, well, this guy is fun, let's learn him. Let's teach him how to do this properly. I would love to make a lovely series about learning this process, and I would like to make some free time to do so. What else do we got? Well, I'm pretty happy with the microphone because now I can run over here and you can still hear me, and I can open and close and up, and then I'm back. Oh man, 5 days of COVID. Oh, 3 days in bed, but 5 days total. I'm a changed man. Thank you for watching. See you again, guys, girls. Hey, goodbye. Ciao. Yeah, bye. Oh man, he's acting weird again.